Welcome to Hambalung Studio, where we transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary experiences. Today, we're diving into the world of rustic decorating, uncovering 5 secrets that can make your repurposed barn feel like modern luxury. Imagine walking into a barn that still holds its original charm, yet radiates elegance, warmth, and a sophisticated style that feels effortlessly luxurious. Whether you're an avid inside design enthusiast or just looking for ways to elevate your rustic spaces, this video is packed with inspiring ideas you won't want to miss. From the living room to the garden, each corner of your barn has the potential to tell a story, one that blends rustic authenticity with modern touches. We'll explore clever ways to layer textures, mix materials, and choose furniture and accessories that honor the barn's history while giving it a fresh, stylish edge. These decorating secrets aren't just about aesthetics. They're about creating spaces that feel welcoming, functional, and undeniably beautiful. By the end of this video, you'll see how simple choices in color palettes, lighting, furniture, and decor can completely transform your barn, turning rough-hewn wood and stone into a backdrop for modern luxury. So, grab your notebook and get ready to uncover the insider tips and design tricks that will make your rustic space a show-stopping masterpiece in inside design. Trust us, you'll want to stay until the very end. Warm rustic elegance. Welcome to the heart of the home, the living room. Imagine stepping into a space where the charm of a repurposed barn meets the sleek touches of modern luxury. The first rustic decorating secret is layering textures. Think reclaimed wood beams, soft linen sofas, and cozy wool throws. Pair these with modern metallic accents or glass light fixtures to elevate the barn's raw character into sophisticated style. Incorporating vintage furniture pieces, like a distressed leather armchair, can add authenticity, while subtle pops of color, such as muted greens or warm ochres, bring life without overwhelming the rustic aesthetic. When you design your living room this way, every corner tells a story, from the history embedded in the wood to the modern elements that make the space feel fresh. By blending rustic charm with contemporary touches, you create a living area that's both inviting and luxuriously stylish. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's build a community of rustic design lovers. Rustic meets gourmet. Next, let's step into the kitchen, where function meets rustic charm. Secret number 2 is embracing natural materials while maintaining clean lines. Imagine wide plank wooden floors and butcher block countertops paired with matte black fixtures or stainless steel appliances. This fusion of old and new creates a modern luxury vibe. Open shelving made from reclaimed wood allows you to display beautiful ceramics, vintage jars, or copper pots, adding warmth and personality. Lighting is another key element. Pendant lights with industrial accents over a kitchen island can make the space feel elevated and chic, while still celebrating the barn's rustic roots. Remember, your kitchen is more than a place to cook. It's a space to gather, share, and enjoy life's simple pleasures, all while showcasing your impeccable inside design taste. Hit subscribe, like, and share this video so you never miss a tip on turning rustic spaces into modern masterpieces. A rustic table for modern gatherings. Now, let's move to the dining area, the perfect place to entertain and savor memorable meals. The third decorating secret is choosing a statement dining table, preferably one crafted from reclaimed wood, and pairing it with sleek, upholstered chairs for a luxurious contrast. Consider adding a chandelier with wrought iron or aged brass finishes to add elegance without losing the rustic soul of the barn. Decorative elements like vintage-inspired tableware, linen runners, and greenery in simple vases enhance the rustic modern balance. By layering textures and mixing old with new, your dining area becomes a stage for both everyday meals and special gatherings, bringing your rustic decorating vision to life. If you love this idea, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more rustic decorating secrets, and share your favorite barn design tips below. Rustic Spa Retreat. The bathroom may be small, but it can deliver a huge impact. Secret number 4 is introducing natural materials with a touch of opulence. Picture reclaimed wood vanities paired with sleek stone countertops, freestanding tubs, and matte black or brushed gold fixtures. Adding open shelving to showcase rolled towels, candles, and vintage jars reinforces the rustic aesthetic while keeping the space elegant and inviting. Soft, warm lighting and neutral color palettes help create a spa-like atmosphere, making your rustic bathroom feel like a modern retreat. Remember, every element counts, from the hardware to the textures, creating a cohesive design that is both functional and luxurious. Subscribe, like, and share if you want more inside design secrets to make rustic spaces feel truly luxurious. Rustic outdoor charm. Finally, let's step outside into the garden, where the rustic lifestyle continues. Secret number 5 is blending natural landscaping with rustic decor elements. Think wooden pergolas, weathered benches, and vintage lanterns. Add flowering plants, herbs, or climbing vines to soften the hard textures, while a mix of stone paths and wooden planters gives the space structure and charm. Outdoor seating areas with cozy cushions and warm lighting can transform your garden into a luxurious extension of your barn, perfect for evening gatherings or quiet reflection. By carrying your rustic decorating theme from the inside out, you create a seamless, enchanting environment that embodies modern luxury in a natural, authentic way. If you loved these rustic decorating secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who adore inside design as much as you do. there you have it, 5 rustic decorating secrets to make your repurposed barn feel like modern luxury. From layering textures in the living room to creating a luxurious spa-like bathroom, and from designing a charming dining area to transforming your garden into an enchanting retreat, we've explored how every space can marry rustic authenticity with modern elegance. These tips show that inside design is not just about furniture or color, it's about creating an experience that's both functional and beautiful. If you love these ideas and want more inspiration for rustic decorating, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Hamburg Studio, and share it with friends who appreciate design as much as you do. Join our community and stay tuned for more tips that turn everyday spaces into extraordinary places. Your barn and your home deserve to feel like modern luxury, and we'll show you how to make it happen.